Hello students, welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous class I have discussed about code review technique, and in this class I will discuss about software documentation. In software documentation I will discuss about different type of document that are developed during the software development. So for a good software, the programmer should develop different type of document like internal document and the external document like user manual, so which help to understand the software product and maintain it. So let's start. Contents of this video are software documentation, then internal documentation, external documentation, and summary. Software documentation means what is software documentation? When developing a software product, we develop various kind of document. In addition to executable files and the source code, we also develop user manual, the software requirement specification document like design document and test document, and installation manual. Means in addition to the source code and executable file, the other document also developed, okay, like user manual, SRS, design document, test document, and installation manual. All these documents are the vital part of a good software development practice. Means these are the vital part of a good software development, okay. Good document enhance understandability and maintainability of a software product. Means good document helps to understand the software and maintain the software. Means anybody who want to understand the software can easily understand by the document. And different type of software document can be classified into two category. Means the documentation of a software can be classified into two category like internal document and external document. So let us discuss about the document types of document. So first one is internal documentation. Internal documentation means documentation provided in the source code, the documentation that are provided in the programs. And external documentation means documentation other than those present in the source code. Means other than the source code, the other document are the external document. So internal document provide through use of meaningful variable name. Means the programmer write useful or meaningful variable name, code indentation, code structuring, use of enumerated type and constant identifier, use of user defined data types, module header, and comments. So comments can be the programmer can easily understand the code through the comments. And through the internal document, any engineers can easily understand the source code. So for the maintenance of a software, it is very useful to the engineers. By the internal document they can maintain the software easily. Good software development organization ensure good internal document through coding standard and coding guidelines. They use the coding standard and coding guidelines for a good internal documentation. And this is the example: a equal to 10 and there is a comment a met 10, but it is unhelpful documentation. Means this comment is not required for the statement. We can easily understand it. Careful experimentation suggests meaningful variable name is the most useful internal documentation. Means meaningful variable name is the most important in internal documentation. Then the next is external documentation. So in external document it include user manual, SRS, design document, test document and installation instruction. And a systematic software development style ensure all external documents are produced in an orderly fashion. Means all the document should produce in a proper order manner. An important feature of good documentation is consistency. Means it will maintain a consistency between them. Unless all documents are consistent with each other, a lot of confusion is created for somebody trying to understand the product. Means if there is inconsistency, then it will lead to confusion who try to understand the product. So consistency is mostly required in all the document of a software. All the document for a product should be up to date. Okay, even a few out of date document can create confusion. Means always the product in software development there are many time they always changes the code. So if the product should be if the product should update, then it is useful, otherwise it is make confusion. So this is all about the internal document and external document. Internal document means documentation within the source code, and external document means other than the source code, like user manual, maintenance installation manual and test case design document, SRS document. These are some external document. It is necessary to adequate document a software product, and the software document help in understanding the product and in help in maintenance. Means documentation, with the help of document we can easily understand the product and we can easily maintain the product. So this is all about the software documentation. Thank you.